2 big mince pies.
And jam tarts.
Hey, hey.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop.
Are we filming?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you chums?
No.
Have you chums? Oh, for God's sake, you're disgusting. You're actually horrific. We're baking and you go and do that.
No.
If I did that,
You're
you'd
not
go
putting
mad.
that in.
I'm putting that in.
You're not putting
You
that in.
trump this, what's going in.
I didn't trump.
Hashtag raw footage. Well, we're going to have to introduce
fine.
ourselves. So, yeah. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm doing. So today, well, this is Wednesday if you're seeing this, we decided to do a really chilled, you know, cook with me video with my brother and my mama, my queen. And we're going to make mince pies.
Yeah.
And for my kings or queens who don't like mince pies, I've got you because we're going to make jam tarts, would you say?
Jam tarts.
Yeah,
Christmas jam tarts.
Because I don't like mince pies,
Also,
so...
didn't like them.
Well, you better just get your shortbreads out.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's going to be today's video and I hope you enjoy. Let's get ready, steady, cook. Do you remember that?
Ready, steady, cook.
Ready, steady, cook.
So we've got pastry,
Yeah,
jam, no mince pie,
yeah,
Yeah, mince pie filling.
jam,
yeah,
icing sugar,
yes,
flour.
yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
It is a glass.
A glass to cut out.
The mince pies.
Yeah,
The mince pie
the
base.
base.
Yeah.
Actually. Oh yeah, they're really cute.
For the
We've
top
got-
of the mince pie, so you've got
Yeah.
stars or Christmas tree.
I like them, they're really cute.
Oh, mince.
You can literally get them at like Poundland, they're so good. We've got a
Yeah.
cute Christmas
I
tree.
think they were on bargain for
Were
something.
they?
And then a little, we're going to need a little sieve,
Little sieve.
aka a hat.
We love that.
Love that. For dusting the icing sugar on at the end, like.
It just
that's
finishes it off.
more.
Like this.
It doesn't make.
Oh, that's a good app. No, get it off your head. That's not very hygienic, is it? So, this is the Just Roll Short Crust Pastry.
Yeah.
Pastry block. And then I'm cheating. I haven't got time to be making
You know that
pastry
time,
tonight,
babe.
guys. So,
It's like cheese to me.
I'm just going to roll this. So,
If that looks like cheese to you, I'll be concerned. Whoa. Look at the flour that's coming out from the phone. I'm opening it. I just cook.
Oh, yay!
put a bit of this on. This is all clean. Oh.
Hey, we can see it. Oh, cool. I've got the camera in a really good place so you can actually see that. But you're not.
I'd take
That's
it.
fine. And then,
That's it,
no,
Mum.
you don't eat the flour, love. So, cute.
Mama's going to
I'll roll it out ready, and then you guys
Roll
can
again.
put the shape. So,
Mince pies, does that do? The same amount as this?
how many is in there? 12.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, 12.
4, 8, 12.
Wow, glad you know your maths.
What?
And don't forget when they're in the oven as well to make them bigger. You can try in a minute.
So, I think if you roll it out to about that kind of thickness, that looks quite good, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
Ta-da. And then if you start cutting the circle out on the very edge so we're not wasting pastry.
Don't need to go outside then, because...
Push down and then do that.
Oh.
Okay. And then the next one, leave it in there and then
Yes.
close as you can.
Yeah, and press
Yeah.
really hard.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
What
along
we can
the
do
neck.
is we can pull the leg
You
out.
tell everyone what we're
Good
doing.
boy. So what we're doing now?
That doesn't mean
That's good. Good boy.
Go on, mince
You
pie
just got flour
bases.
on you.
we're cutting out the mince pie bases.
Yeah. So when you do it, you press really hard just so it cuts it almost. That's it. And if you want, you can just take your finger and you can peel it away. That's the best part. That's it. Good boy. Oh,
Very
yeah.
good.
Look at that.
Brilliant.
Making the most of every bit of dough we've got. Dough, is it dough? No, it's
Pastry.
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 We can't make mince pies with dough.
2, 4, 6.
And then we should have some pastry left to make some toppings then as well.
That's it. Good boy.
So then you've got your little circle base for the mince
Cute.
pies.
Do we put it in
So
here?
yeah, if you pop that
Hey,
in the tray,
the only
Georgia,
job
and
that
then
I
just
have.
push that in and press that right to just rub that in
I'm
each
never
of them.
having toast today. Grease, meat, bees.
No, it just makes it
And then
easier. So when it's
Yeah, that's normal.
fully cooked, then
Okay.
it
It's
can't come out the
not
pack.
perfect without it.
So what are we doing now?
So we're pushing the mince pie
Yeah,
pastry base in the tin.
yeah. So we're shaping it so we can then fill it. Shape. I'm in love with the man.
Pastry.
I love how it like made that.
Santa.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
I think that's going to be a good one.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I'm good, don't we? So I
That's what she does now.
That's what she
That's
said.
what she said. I knew that. Do you know that one?
How do you know
What's that?
Max goes, hey, what are you doing? I said,
That's big enough.
Shout out to Max. Shout out to Max. In fact, I did say shout out to Matthew. So say hi to Matthew.
Hi,
say
Matthew.
hi, Matthew, for watching.
Hi Matthew, thanks for watching.
You might not even be watching them.
Make sure you subscribe, Matthew. Okay.
If you do-
Or I'm coming for your mother.
If you don't, I will. Don't know.
And George will give Max a shout out because George always shouts Max on the Xbox.
Hi Max!
Hi Max!
Hi Max, love you, mommy me!
Love you, Max!
I love Max. Max is a legend.
I'll pull the excess away.
Mommy. Make the butchers better.
Good bases here, guys. Good. This is looking very
I'm going to
professional.
cheer every single one here. So the bases are done and I'm going to fill them with mincemeat and jam.
Yeah.
Nope. Can I have some jam on the spoon?
No. Okay, so what we'll do then is, do you want to start filling it?
Yeah. I'll do the jam.
I want to do the jam.
Each one is going to be a spoonful. Pop it over there and then use your finger and that, no more than that,
Yeah.
okay, because it'll spill out.
Just do
See?
it. That's it. You should think. We love a chef.
Use the back of your spoon to squash it down.
That's it.
That's good.
Good boy. So it's not overflowing, but you've got a good, decent amount of stuff.
So how many? We're going to have
Yeah, I was
6
gonna say.
mincemeat and 6 jam.
Oh, the jam. I love the smell
This
of
is my
jam.
favourite bit.
Yeah. Buddy.
What's mincemeat?
I'll start rolling out the
Tops of the cakes. Adding my jam into the ones I'm having. Let me turn it. Wait, you've got get that spoon there. I'll grab that and then you
That's
can
one
do.
spoon.
No, that's for you to do the jam. Ooh, that's a lot.
That's
Can I
plenty.
do that? Wonders plenty.
Yeah, go on then. Because we're not making them on the top. Oh!
Oh my god,
Oh,
they look
the
so
starfish.
cute!
Ah!
I love how we're like, oh.
Carefully.
Oh. Let's pop that back in there. I'll put a star one on this mince pie one. And then what you can do
How
is
many
with
more
the
do you need
stars. Ignore the star yet. So that goes on there. How cute!
Can I make a stand?
That's it. What you can do is when you press it, you drag it out. So you go that and you can drag that the shape. Oh, the other way. My stomach just rumbles.
When your cookie makes you hungry.
So we have completely done. How quick was that?
Very quick. You can
This is like, say if
they
you're
are really
buying mince pies, you might as well do homemade. So these are the mince pies and jam tarts that we've done. But how quick was that? Like in real life, like how long did that even take?
10 minutes tops.
I would say 10 minutes.
tops.
Like, how nice is that for Christmas? Say if you go out shops and buy them, you could make them with your family. Your fun one. I love it. Say that, Izzy. We love a family gathering.
So we're going to pop these in the oven now for about 10 to 12 minutes, I think.
God.
And then I'll show you guys when they're out of the oven.
Oh, good. Yay! No, now I'm leaving the floor. Making these, I was thinking they're going to be too thin on top of it, but
I could have rolled them thinner.
you actually could have. They're really thick. Look how big they are.
We could have got double,
That Christmas tree is massive.
couldn't we?
Yeah, we could have well got like double. That one at the back. He's bigger than the mince pie itself. I'm shooketh.
Oh well, these to be filling.
It's half of it just like gone. Well, they definitely have improved in size. Only if I could just go in the oven and grow.
If only.
Surprise, you mince pie!
Surprise!
Say hi, Mum.
Hi, Mum.
Oven selfies. Look at her working away with a little rolling pin. Look at the. Oh, you're just cute though. This is like after footage.
What?
Guess the scene.
Twilight.
Yes. Dun, 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 dun.
I watched Twilight last night, no.
The first one?
No, the one.
The one
Break
that's
to Dawn
really,
Part 1.
oh, the really sad one where she dies.
Yeah.
Where she has the baby.
And I was looking at Edward and I actually thought, why did I ever like you? He looks
Oh.
like Cliff Richard.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh God.
It's not good.
See, I used to fancy Jacob. Twilight. Hashtag Twilight chats. Hashtag kitchen chat. Kitchen chat.
Yeah, I've welded them too thick.
Yeah.
I would have got double out of that.
I know. Well, yeah, but you don't realise when you're cooking them. So, tip for you guys.
Roll your pastry out thinner.
Yeah, I'd say, like.
No,
that's-
like that as thin as that.
You wouldn't think that though. You wouldn't, would you? But
That's too thick.
yeah, that's way too thick. They're really thick in the oven, so I'd say really, yeah,
Like, yeah.
as thin as you can, because they're gonna grow and they are quite. When you can't even relate to them, it's fine. No, but yeah, definitely when you're making these, I would say just roll the pastry out as thin as you can. Even if you think it's like not thin enough, I just say do it because they, in the oven now, they're so thick. What are you doing? You're so mean to me. Oh my God, my stomach's full on rumbling. So the mince pies and jam tarts are out the oven now, and they've been cooling for a few minutes, haven't they? They've been out the oven for a good 5-10 minutes. So they have had a good time to settle. And now we're gonna add some icing sugar on top to finish it off because, you know. Oh my God, is it even Christmas without icing sugar? We are completely done with the baking. You will have a nice, really yummy clip of the mince pies. I hope you enjoyed the baking with me and Mama. It was really fun while it lasted with my brother. it was a struggle,
traumatic.
but it was nice to be able to cook something. We love a good baking video, and also as well, everyone can do this,
Everyone
can't
can,
they?
yeah.
And
Really
it takes
easy.
under 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Obviously,
And cheap as well.
dead cheap, dead easy.
Look, I've hardly used any of the
Mince pie.
Yeah, of the mince pie.
Is that from
filling.
Aldi?
And no, that's Asda and that's Asda. So
That looks really
and
nice.
the jam. So I just need to buy some more pastry or make some pastry, and I can
Yeah.
make plenty. So one jar would do. One jar does plenty.
Not the same in that voice. No, but we've made 12, and I bet you can see them, you can as well. We've got 2 ones, but again, like we've just said, if we just rolled these out thinner, we actually would have got even more
Yeah,
out
we
of
really
it.
got 24, but I
Oh
was,
my God.
yeah, I didn't realise that they were too thick.
They are so thick. Like, I can't get over how thick they have really puffed up to be. But hey, we love
We love
a yummy puff pastry
Yeah,
queen.
that's not even puff pastry, it's short.
I know, I don't know why I'm calling it that.
Anyway,
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bake with me and Mummy. It's really fun, and I'ma see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
you said bye.
Yeah, she said bye for once.